This is a beautiful billabong area at Kedron Brook, Alderley. And as you can see, there are tons of pest tilapia. Let's see if we can hopefully catch one today to lower the numbers in our local creeks. First thing you need is bait for tilapia. You need to squash it up nicely and make sure that it's of a plasticine-like consistency. And you can squash it, pull it apart, just to make sure that it's what you want, so then the fish won't pull it off the hook. Perfect. And when putting it on the hook, you need to get a small bit of bread, because tilapia have very small mouths, and wrap it around the shank of the hook, so the barb is sticking out. And you just need a float and a swivel, because sinkers are not needed for tilapia fishing. And that's perfect. When casting out, you need to find a place where it's deep going into shallows, because this is where the tilapia will hang out. And you also need to find a place where there are no turtles or ducks, because if you catch one of these animals, then it might get lodged, the hook might get lodged in its throat, and the animal might die. And I'm getting little bites, but progressively getting bigger as I come into shore. But this is the ambush ground for tilapia, waiting for all the little native fish and all the little insects native to Australia to jump in. Tilapia come from the Nile River in Africa, and they can lay up to 1,800 eggs at one sitting. And the tilapia really is a very bad pest. Oh, I've caught one. Yep. Yeah, it's tilapia. So it's a female tilapia. You can see by the sleek body shape and the short anal and pectoral fins. And she's about 2 kilograms. Very heavy fish. And when you catch them, you cannot put them back, and you cannot bring them back home with you, dead or alive. You have to kill them, bin and bury them, or put them in a bin instantly when you catch them. You cannot bring them back home with you. An amazing specimen, but you cannot put her back in the water by law. So, yeah.